Hello, 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 hello. Let us do some more problems on probability. I have done till this one, 7 by 13, no? Hmm. Try to solve this question, the question that I'm giving now. Haripriya, try this question. Today also we'll be doing the probability, and then in the next class I'll start the introduction to 3D geometry. Only two formulas are there, basic only. But probability needs some more practice because more stronger you are here, that will decide how much strong you will be in the class 12 probability, because these are the basics of probability. What about Kanishka and Diva? The Diva,
The selection of C is 2 by 9 and A will not be is 5 by 9.
2 by 9 and 5 by 9. Ah, correct. Very good. How did you do it?
So like I considered P of B is equal to P of C and A will be equal to 2 of 2 into P of B. Then I like P of A plus P of B plus P of C plus P of D is equal to 1.
Hmm. Kanishka, what about you? You are able to solve this question?
Yes, sir, I'm solving the question.
You are able to get the idea na, how to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve it. let me solve it by myself. Candidates have applied for assignment in each cricket if A is tag. Acha. E1, E2, E3 suppose are the events where A, B, C, and D are selected. Okay, now what is given if A is twice as likely to be selected as B? That means what? P of E1 is equal to 2 of P of E2. And B and C are given about the same chance of being selected, meaning P of E2 is equal to P of E3. No. Correct. Okay. Well, C is, so we can write this in this way: P of E2 is equal to P of E3 is equal to P of E4. B and C only, na? Hmm. C is twice as likely to be selected as D. So P of E3 is equal to twice of P of E4. This is how we are going to write it. What are the probabilities that C will be selected? See, because only 4 candidates have applied, the probability of E1 union E2 union E3 union E4 will be 1. And this formula we know it is equal to P of E1 because they are mutually exclusive. If A is selected, one person is selected, the other will not be selected. But where they have given this one, P of E4, this is equal to 1. 4 candidates to each a school cricket team. Assignment to each a school cricket. Acha. Okay. हाँ ठीक है, correct. Now E of what we have given, if we have taken E4 as X, so E3 will be 2X, E2 will be 2X, E1 will be 4X. This is 1, so 9X is equal to 1, so X will be equal to 1 by 9. C will be selected. Probability of C being selected is P of E3, which is 2X. So P of E3 will be 2X, which is 2 by 9. Correct answer. A will not be selected. Probability of E1 dash is equal to 1 minus P of E1. So it is 1 minus 4X, 4 by 9, which is 5 by 9. This was easy only. Hmm. Acha. Try to solve this one. Try solving this. What happened? You got the answer? It's actually not difficult. It's very easy. Haribir, did you get the answer? Or
So like I got an idea, but I don't know if it's
tell me what's your idea?
so like for entering the same sections,
Hmm.
either you can enter in either 40 section or in 60 section.
Hmm.
For like 40 section, it's usually 100 C40, and then for 60 it will be 100 C60. So it's like I add both of them.
No. You're doing wrong. Your idea is correct. But what you what you are doing, what's the meaning of that? 40, you need not have to select 40 students. From 100 students, you need not have to select 40 students. You have to select, you have to make sure that you and your friend, they are in the selection of 40 students. Means you have to select, you have to choose any two students out of that section of 40. You both enter the same section, means either you are in 40. See, out of 100 students, first let us find out the total cases in which you and your friend, there are two persons now. We are only concerned with the two students. The two person, you and your friend, and they are present in 100 students, obviously. So total cases will be 100 C2. Means any two students you can choose, and you will be in those 100 students. Now, out of the two section of 40, it's given you both enter the same sections. Either you are in 40 section or you both are in 60 section. So your required probability will be 40 C2, or means plus 60 C2, means we have to choose out of 40 students, out of a section of 40, only two students, any two persons. Out of a section of 60, any two persons. Divide by 100 C2. This is your requirement. This is your required answer for case A. For case B, you both enter the different section, means total exhaustive cases will be one minus this value of the value that you have found above. 1 minus x will give you all those cases in which you both are not in single section. Correct? You understood my reasoning? See, if you are getting confused why I have chosen 2, means you and your friend, it's like there are 100, suppose for a case of 100 students, you have to, there you visualize this as there are 100 places. For you and your friend, you have to choose only 2 places for you to be seated in them. So out of the 100, any 2 places I can choose in 100 C2 ways, so that then by choosing 2 places, I'll be secured that me and my friend will be seated there, will be present there. Okay. Now, if in the first case they have given, you both have to enter the same section. Either you and your friend are present in a section of 40, or you and your friend are present in a section of 60. Means if we case, so that's why, because or is involved, that's why we are using plus here. The first case, when you and your friend both are present in the section of 40, that means what? There are 40 places. Out of that 40 places, any 2 places can be chosen so that you and your friend can sit there. Means you and your friend are present there. So out of 40 places, I have to choose only 2 places in 40 C2 ways, where you and your friend can present there, can be present. Understood, Haripriya? Similarly, out of 60 places, you have to choose any 2 places so that you and your friend can be present there. Like that. And now for the second, that's why I have calculated this 40 C2 plus 60 C2 by 100 C2. For the second case, you both enter the different section. Different section maybe means there will be different cases. Either one is present in 40, either you are present in section of 40, your friend is present in a section of 60, or you are present in a section of 60, your friend is present in a section of 40. These 2 cases can be there. The other way you can do it, because exhaustive, there are only 2 cases. These 2 cases, 40 section being present in section of 40 or being present in section of 60, it represents the total exhaustive cases. Means all the cases combined will give the probability of total 1. So if you remove the above cases in which you both enter the same section, you will get the probability of you and your friend present in different sections. If we try to solve it, how we'll get the value of x will get is 40 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 38 factorial plus 60 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 58 factorial divided by 100 factorial by 98 factorial into 2 factorial. This is 39 into 40, 2 to the 20, 780 plus 59 into 60.
You could have removed 2 factorial, like all the terms up to factorial.
That was better. That was good. Like that also we can cancel 2 factorial from all of these positions. So it will become 39 into 40 plus 59 into 60 whole divided by 99 into 100. Calculate it, you'll be getting some answer. What answer they have given?
17 by
33. And if you want the option B, it will be 1 minus 17 by 33, which should be
16 by 30.
16 by 33. Actually, it was not difficult. But it involved some different reasoning. That's why I gave you the question. Not difficult one. It was not a difficult one. Acha, can you do this one? Yeah, first do this one and then I'll give you the number. The spelling problem. Assassination. See, actually, you have to practice. If you have to practice more for this. it will be helpful for you for class 12. The more you practice, more your logic will become clear and more easy it will be for you to do the difficult questions on probability. So try solving more questions on this. But anyway, you won't be able to solve much questions because whenever you will see this JEE main problems, na, they actually will involve some advanced concepts that you have not learned by now.
The first one is 5 by 143,
Correct.
28 by 143, and the last one is 40 by 1.
Last one is
40 by 143.
correct. Kanishka, what about you? You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So I'm not solving this question because you both have solved this question. Try solving this one. This is the other type that they usually ask. Haripriya or Kanishka, did you get the first answer?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, I'm calculating.
Why it's not that lengthy? This first part is actually very easy. Let me show you so that you will get the idea if you are doing it very long. See, assassination are there. All 4s come together. 4s are. So we can take them as a group. Let's have the 4s in this position. Remaining words, remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 13 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this is how your this should be. Now 4s has to come here. 4s. So we'll take this as a block. Now the remaining can be arranged in, now remaining we have 2 A's, 2 I, NATON, 2N, 2N, 2I, 2A. No, 3A.
So the first one I got it as 2 by 140.
Correct. So now the total cases will be 13 letters are there. Total cases will be 13 factorial divided by A are 3. So 3 factorial, 2I, 2 factorial, 2N, 2 factorial. That's all. Acha, that also we have to take, na? 4s, 4 factorial. These are total cases. So 4s come together, that means this will take it as one entity. With this, 9 letters are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. So the required case will be 10 factorial divided by, this is 1. So 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 A's are there, 2 I's are there, 2 N's are there. That's all. So our required probability will be 4s come together, come consecutively in the word. For that, it will be required probability means it will be 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 2 factorial into 2 factorial divided by 13 factorial by 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial into 4 factorial. This will get cancelled. 10 factorial by 13 factorial into 4 factorial. 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 cancel. 2 by 143. Okay, correct. Very good.
So then I messed it up.
Then you messed
Like
it up.
the next 3 problems I messed it up.
2 i's and 2 n's come together. 2 I see. I'll give you the idea. 2 i's and 2 n's are coming together. That means you have to take them as a single quantity. 2 i's, 2 n's. Out of rest all, how many are there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two i's, 2n come together. So that will be acha. Okay, this 2i, 2n come together. This will be counted as 1. Again, 4 things. Okay. Again, here the total cases will be same. The required case in this case will be 10 factorial because these cases are same. The only difference is here 2 i's are there and 2 n's are there. And then 4s and all are there. So required case will be 10 factorial. Now after this with 10 factorial, if you want me to draw, I'll draw like this. Here 2i and 2n are there. Rest all numbers you can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 are there. So now in these positions, rest all numbers, there are 4s. How many are there? 4s are there. So 4 factorial. And then 2i, 2n you remove. 3 a's are there. 3 factorial into 2i, 2n are gone. 4a. Correct, that only. 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial divided by total 13 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Again, this I and n again they can be arranged. Okay, now. So in the required cases, when we found 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial for this arrangement, now these I and n, they can again rearrange themselves. How? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Right, Haripriya? Understood this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kanika, you understood?
Yes, sir.
First, I took the cases 2i and 2n are together, and the total arrangements I have found 10 factorial, 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Now, these 2i and 2n, they can rearrange themselves inside in 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial ways, because 2i's are there, 2n's are there. This will become my favorable event in which total cases will be formed. Now divide by total cases when we have not taken I and n together. This was this one. So your answer will be when you divide and solve this one. 2 factorial will get cancelled, 4 factorial into 3 factorial will get cancelled again. So it will be 10 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 13 factorial. 11 into 12 into 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is there. 2 by 13 into 11. 2 by 13 into 11 is what? Again 2 by 143. What? 13 into 143, na? 2 by 143. Let me check the answer again if you're getting. Again we are getting the same answer. Okay. Now you do one thing. Because you have understood the idea how I'm doing it, you take this two, the third one and the fourth one as homework, and try to do with a relaxed mind, try to solve it by yourself. I'm writing the answer. Answer for this they have given as, for third one they have given as 25 by 26. This is 15 by 26. See, first when all A's are not coming together, for this what you should do, take all A's coming together, find out that probability, minus that probability from 1. No two A's are coming together means you have to take them at different position. This fourth one would be difficult for you, but try to think. If you are not able to get it, I'll solve it, but I want you to put your mind to it. Third one will be easy to solve the way I have told you. Find out all A's are together, probability, and then minus from 1. 1 minus that. No two A's are coming together. For that, you have to place A at the alternate position. Now, how many cases can be formed? You have to find that. This will involve some mind. Fourth one. Okay, take it as homework. Next class we'll discuss.